Kushu TV. Hello friends, today we will learn A to Z vehicles name. Let's go. A for ambulance. B for bus. C for car. D for delivery truck. E for excavator. F for fire truck. G for garbage truck. H for helicopter. I for ice cream truck. J for jeep. K for kayak. L for limousine. M for motorcycle. N for navy ship. O for off-road vehicle. P for police car. Q for quad bike. R for roadster. S for scooter. T for train. U for unicycle. V for van. W for wagon. X for xebec. Y for yacht. Z for Zeppelin. Thank you.